Getting the best insurance policy easily. People who need to buy car insurance today are in luck because the process has never been easier. There are many ways to shop for car insurance, and the goal is to find the best insurance policy. Insurance is a necessity because no one knows when something is going to strike. This can help to find great rates for those inopportune times, but it does not need to cost an arm and a leg. One way people can start to look for that needed car insurance is online. There are many websites one will find, but if someone clicked into each site, they might find that there is a helpful tool which helps them get an estimated quote of the rate they would receive. These are useful because it helps people comparison shop. To complete these quotes, one would first need to give some simple information like name, age, and address. The age is an important factor because younger people will have higher rates. That is the same reason the address is needed. The location of a driver is important because cities and certain states have higher rates to be insured. The next type of information they will ask is what type of car the driver drives. The car information is important because certain cars have different rates than others. Older cars need less coverage, so they will have lower rates. The same goes for smaller cars. The companies also need to know how many cars will be covered. The next thing that one needs to look at is the type of coverage they want. For example, if someone wants to have full coverage, this would cost more than minimums in coverage. If a car is older and does not need all of the coverage, there is no reason to buy it. That is why it is good for people to know what they need to avoid spending what they do not need to. People may have questions through this process, and it is a good idea to call customer representatives in these cases. They can advise people on coverages, and they can help calculate the quote. This is also a good time for people to grade the service and see if they like the service. Other